Hi, in this demo, I'll show you end-to-end process on how you can log into our ExpertEase AI platform, create your bot or agent, connect your Zoho account, and tailor it for different needs. So first off, you gotta sign up via the sign up page if you don't have an account, or alternatively, you can also log in via Google or Microsoft. I already have my account created, so I'll just log into that. Once I'm in my account, you simply go to the bots page, and here you can create your bot. For the purpose of this demo, I'll create two bots. One would be an internal facing bot meant for business teams. Let's call it internal bot, and here is where I specify the instructions for the bot to actually make it um, work seamlessly and meant for internal teams. So I have my instructions predefined. I'll just copy and paste those here. And I can also actually add a logo for my bot. I'll just choose a logo I already have. And here are some more options you can configure. I'll create my bot. Once I have that, I simply need to go to integrations, CRM, and Zoho CRM. Here I can manage what access do I want to grant to my Zoho account. So for instance, for the purpose of this demo, we'll only focus on leads and notes. I'll just give access for leads and notes for that purpose. I'll just keep it to leads, and here's notes. Basically, we can read, create, update notes or leads via the chat interface. Then I'll connect my Zoho account, and you can again see what permissions we ask from you to grant. I'll click on accept. Once I've done that, I can chat with my bot. And I'll just use some alias names. And I'll just go on my leads here. I'll refresh the page. Here you can see that we have successfully created this lead. The lead sources, website chat. This is the company name, lead name, email, and so on. And this is the description as well. That's what I put in the chat. If I want to update anything, for instance, let's say I want to update the email of the lead, I can do that as well. And that would be reflected in the lead record as well. Here it is. So that's sort of like an internal bot. I can also get my leads here. Let's try a different lead for this one. Let's say I want to get this one. I'll just randomly pick one. Just want to get information for this. So and this is exactly what matches as per my lead record for this one, the phone, email, and name. I can ask for more information. Similarly, and create more leads. Now I'll also create one more bot, which would be tailored for customers and not internal teams. We'll just call it customer facing, and here's where I add my tailored instructions to make it customer facing. For instance, one difference between an internal bot and a customer facing bot would be you don't want to give the customers um, the access to the lead informations, lead records in your system. That should be only allowed for internal bots. So I've put in instructions, those privacy control instructions here. I'll also select a random logo, click next, create bot. And here on it's the same process. We select Zoho, I select leads and nodes again for the purpose of the demo. I'll connect to my Zoho account. Now the bot is connected to that Zoho account. Now if I try the same queries as this bot, this is an internal bot, it won't divulge that information. Yep. And if I try any other queries like give me the leads, it won't give you that. And let's try a customer query, for instance. It would basically answer users' question as long as they keep on asking. And let's say I want to connect with a consultant. It would ask your information. I can try, let's say, I'll also tell my interests. For instance, I'm interested in Zoho Sales IQ. And you'll get a successful message. And once I go on my leads, here I'll be able to see the lead I have created. Let me refresh the page. Yep, there it is. And this would be captured as a lead. So basically all your customers, they can keep asking this customer facing bot questions about Zoho products. You can tailor it as per your needs. I just gave a general demo. And once the user gives out details, those would be captured here as a lead record. So that's how you can create different kinds of Zoho bots for different needs in our system. Thank you.